Hello guys, in today's video of machine learning I am telling you about the what are theory of mind. If you don't know what is the theory of mind in machine learning, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it. If you don't know what are theory of mind, so see this video start to end and your whole concept will be clear about it, what are theory of mind. So now without wasting a time, so let's move from your screen and listen about what are theory of mind. So let's move from your screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video in the machine learning I'm telling about the theory of mind. If you don't know what is the theory of mind, so let's get started and listen about it. What is the theory of mind? Theory of mind means first is thoughts, number 2 feelings, number 3 emotions, number 4 self-awareness, and then number 5 is empathy. First of all, what is mind? There is no proven definition of mind. Mind can be defined as an instantiation of the intelligence. Mind can be defined as a collection of knowledge, is thinking, feeling, meaning, mind, or know-how. Is the mind just a big computer? Cognitive science. Cognitive science is the study of the mind processes. A cognitive scientist studies intelligence and behavior. Cognitive science focus on how brain cells process and transform information. Cognitive science also tries to learn how to develop intelligent computer algorithms. Like in this example, like it give me philosophy, like psychology, and like artificial intelligence, like neuroscience, like anthropology, and then linguistics, like that. So one example, the mental model. A mental model is an internal picture of the external reality. Scientists expect that a model plays a major role in reasoning. Kenneth Craig suggests in 1943 that the mind constructs small-scale models of reality when trying to anticipate events. The image of world around us which we carry in our head is just a model, like that. Nobody in this head images all the world government of country has only selected concepts and relationship between them and uses those to represent the real system. J. Wright Forrester, 1971. Can AI be human? Can? Scientists are trying to discover what separates human intelligence from artificial intelligence. What is status? What is the future? Year 2000, the reactive machines. Year 2015, machine learning. Year 2030, theory of mind. Year 2050, self-awareness. Reactive machines, like this type of. Early AI systems are reactive. Reactive system cannot be used past experience. In 1997, a reactive machine IBM Deep Blue beat the world champion in chess. Deep Blue could not think, but it was stored with information about the chess board and the rules for moving chess pieces. Deep Blue won because it was programmed to calculate every move to win. Machine learning. Today, AI system can be some information from the past. One example of a self-driving car, they can combine pre-programmed information with information they collect while they learn how to drive. Theory of mind. Theory of mind is a term from psychology about an individual's capacity for empathy and understanding of others. This is an awareness of others begin like yourself with individual needs and intentions. One of the abilities language users have is to communicate about things that are not concrete like needs, ideas or concepts. Simbaran Cohen, British biologist and professor at the University of Cambridge, argues in 1999 that theory of mind must have preceded languages based on knowledge about early human activities like teaching, building shared goal, building shared plan, international communication, international sharing of cooperation, international sharing of focus, international persuasion, international pretending, international deception. Self-awareness. In physiology, the theory of mind means that the people have thoughts, feelings and emotions that affect their behavior. Future AI system must learn to understand that everyone, both people and AI objects, have thoughts and feelings. Future AI systems must know how to adjust their behavior to be able to walk among us. The last step before AI can be human is machine consciousness. We cannot construct this software before we know much more about the human brain and memory and intelligence. So in today's video, we learn about what are our theory of mind in the machine learning. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so never miss our future latest videos. So for today, goodbye.